lime, and lemon. So we're gonna put some parsley. All right, I bought some pasta today. Baking soda. That's what you want to wash your things on, guys. All right. If not, you can use vinegar. All right. Always wash your ingredients the right and proper way. Okay, look at that. So this is parsley, this is lime, this is lemon. All right, so you can see all the little thing here. Yeah, so you always have to make sure you wash this. You're supposed to leave it in the water for at least 6 to 7 to 10 minutes the least, but we're not gonna do that today. All right, a good vibe. So that's the first start. It's a good look. So make sure you wash off these properly and good vibes. Hot water, 1 large cup. This is the boiling water from my kettle. All right, a little bit more, and that's it. We're gonna put these into the water. All right, like that. That's what you wanna do. This is the secret right here. All right, this is a parsley. We're going to put it into the water like this. You need to put this in the water. So I like to get a green tea bag and pour it out inside of it. Like this. All right, so that's the green tea bag right there. So you're gonna turn off the cooker. Yeah, it's like that. All right, beautiful one. You just need to just watch it right straight to the end of the video, and then you will see exactly what Chef Ricardo gonna do. We're gonna take this off the cooker. From poverty to purpose, it's available for every one of you guys to make it and to get one at home. All right, it's on Amazon, 50% off. Mother's Day, the end of the month. Okay, guys, support Chef Ricardo Cooking. Simply pour it off like this with parsley, lemon and lime, and some green tea bag. We got the lemon juice. This is a secret also. Put roughly about a teaspoon in it. You know? Let's give this a mix. All right, guys. Drink it naturally. You can drink one in the morning on an empty stomach, one in the evening, like what I'm going to be doing now. So the rest of the ingredients, you can just throw that away. All right, because we already done use it.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Island flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work